Types of workspaces. Layout. A general workspace for assembling objects and previewing. Modeling. Active workspace, showing toolbox full of modeling tools. Sculpting. Active workspace displaying, easy to sculpt and profound deform tools. UV editing, to unwrap the complex mesh to flatbed for painting a texture. Texture paint, for painting image textures in the 3D viewport. Shading, contains panels for connecting, color and texture shading nodes and previewing. Animation, active workspace showing, preview, user perspective, and timeline window to animate. Rendering, for viewing and checking, render results. Compositing, for combining and post-processing of images and rendering information. Video editing, for sequencing rendered images together into the tracks and make a total output of one video with audio.